Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've looked at the roots of trucks and their connection to masculinity, it's time to dive into how marketing, pop culture, and changing times have elevated trucks to cultural icons. Let's get into it. Celebrity endorsements and pop culture. When you think about tough, iconic male figures in movies or TV, chances are they've driven a truck at some point. That wasn't an accident, either. Automakers worked hard to align their brands with cultural symbols of masculinity through celebrity endorsements and clever product placements. Consider the 1980s and 1990s, when actors like Sam Elliott or Chuck Norris became synonymous with strength and grit. Their association with the truck industry only amplified that image. These weren't just ads, they were stamps of approval from cultural icons. If they drove a truck, it must mean something. In pop culture, trucks show up as symbols of rugged individualism. Whether it's a cowboy in a Western film or a blue-collar worker in a drama, the truck is usually right there. Country music also played a big role. Songs about trucks are practically a genre all their own, painting them as vehicles of freedom, reliability, and tradition. This combination of celebrity, entertainment media, and music continuously reinforces the idea: trucks aren't just vehicles, they're symbols of who you are. For many men, driving one became a way to align themselves with that image of toughness and reliability. Trucks, masculinity, and regional identity. In America, trucks are more than just vehicles, they're reflections of identity, culture, and values. The connection between masculinity and trucks often varies depending on where you live. While rural communities embrace trucks as tools of rugged individualism, suburban and urban settings see them as symbols of status and endurance. Let's take a closer look at how these dynamics play out. Rural America, the cowboy archetype. In rural areas, trucks are deeply tied to the cowboy archetype, which has long been America's idealized image of rugged masculinity. This connection didn't happen by chance. It grew out of the practical needs of rural life and the cultural ideals that those communities embrace. Cowboys are often seen as self-reliant, tough, and hardworking, and those traits blend seamlessly with what trucks represent. Imagine a rancher navigating dusty backroads, using a pickup to haul supplies, tools, or livestock. In these situations, the truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a partner in getting the job done. But the relationship with trucks here goes far beyond utility. Rural America often views the truck as a symbol of personal values, independence, grit, and an attachment to tradition. It's not just about what the truck does, it's about what it stands for. Work and identity. For farmers and ranchers, the truck reinforces the idea of being capable and tied to the land. Its functionality adds to its importance, but owning one signals that you're prepared for hard work. Cultural symbolism. The cowboy archetype has always been a figure of freedom and strength. Trucks carry that energy forward, making them a natural extension of this image. Country music further connects masculinity to trucks in rural life. Songs often paint a picture of rugged men, wide open spaces, and trusty pickups. Trucks become more than vehicles, They're part of a lifestyle that values resilience, simplicity, and personal pride. In rural America, a truck isn't just what you drive, it's part of who you are. Suburban and urban contexts. Surprisingly, trucks have also carved out a place of masculinity in suburban and urban settings, despite being far removed from the dusty fields and rural ranches. For many men in these environments, owning a truck is less about utility and more about making a statement. In suburban areas, trucks are often perceived as status symbols. Here, they represent durability, power, and success. It's not unusual to see spotless trucks parked in pristine driveways, far from the muddy backroads they were designed to conquer. So why own one if you don't need it for work? Because trucks communicate something: strength, independence, and versatility. Lifestyle and image. In suburban settings, the truck is part of the image men want to project. It says, "I'm capable, I'm strong, I can handle whatever comes my way." Even if that means parking the truck in a cul-de-sac and never actually taking it off-road. Urban masculinity, on the other hand, may lean more toward the status-driven aspect. Urban men might choose trucks as symbols of success or a way to stand out from the crowd. They aren't necessarily using them for the same purposes as rural drivers, but the truck still signals power and achievement. Trucks in the future. Changing gender norms. As we move further into the 21st century, the link between trucks and masculinity is being challenged and redefined. Social expectations around gender are evolving, and the idea that trucks are exclusively masculine symbols is becoming increasingly outdated. For one, women are driving trucks more than ever. In fact, the number of women who buy pickups has steadily risen, thanks to both practical needs and changing attitudes toward gender. As women seek out vehicles for work, family, and adventure, trucks are no longer just tools for men. They've become gender-neutral in many ways. Moreover, younger generations are questioning traditional norms and seeking new definitions of masculinity. In this context, the macho image that trucks have been associated with may begin to fade as a new, more diverse set of ideals emerges. The enduring symbol of the American truck. From their origins as essential work vehicles to their place as icons of masculinity, trucks have played a major role in shaping American culture. While marketing has cemented their image as symbols of strength, power, and ruggedness, trucks continue to evolve in the 21st century. As gender norms shift, and as trucks find their way into a wider variety of hands and hearts, one thing is clear: trucks aren't just about horsepower, they represent a deeper connection to identity, culture, and values. Whether you're driving down a rural road or cruising through a city, trucks still carry that timeless message of strength and resilience. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.